Hello everyone, today I'll share some very useful information for absolutely all phones. It concerns the battery installed in your smartphone and more specifically the number of charge and discharge cycles that the modern phones have lithium-ion or polyol batteries which have a lifespan of approximately 300 to 502 charge and discharge cycles via nakupo. That is, full cycles. And this doesn't mean that your battery will run out of charge and, so to speak, completely shut down and stop working No, it will simply lose approximately 20% of its total capacity. Don't balonte. In other words, the battery may charge more slowly when recharging and lose its charge more quickly over the course of a working day. This immediately begs the question, why is it important to know this? This is in fact very relevant. Firstly, for those who buy used phones, and to avoid buying, let's say, a really bad phone with really bad battery, you can double check these charge and discharge cycles and perhaps the battery has already gone through many cycles and such a phone is not worth buying. Walk. Another example is buying a new phone. For example, stores often have so-called islands where phones are constantly plugged in to charge so you can just click them and so it works on the charger from morning until evening. Well, imagine how many such a charge and discharge cycles a new phone that a salesperson might sell you would go through. Oh, this is fine if you come in and you are given a fully sealed smartphone completely wrapped in factory packaging and you are 100% sure you're buying a new product. But I can tell you that often the salespeople put clear plates phones on these so-called islands, put them in a box and sell them to the first buyer who needs such a phone. And of course they put a new sealed phone on display because, well, charge and discharge cycles do happen. And thirdly, perhaps you've been using your phone for a long time and already wondering how many charge and discharge cycles it's gone through. I'll show you a universal method for checking these cycles. And it's completely free. Go to the Google Play Market. Just type AIDA in the search bar and find the AIDA 64 app. It's completely free. I already have it installed. Install it, click open and find the battery section beneath. Go here and look, it shows the full capacity of my 6500 mAh smartphone and the charge and discharge cycles. 9 cycles have been completed so far. This phone is fairly new, but I've already charged it many times. The thing is, modern phones count these cycles down to the 10th digit in one step. So what does this mean? For example, if you charged your phone to 100% and discharged it to 70%, that would count as 0.3 cycles. In other words, you don't have to count the entire battery from 0 to 100%. That's why the value here is so high. It accumulates periodically in small doses. For example, I don't completely discharge my phone. I don't wait for it to run out, but charge it when I need it. That means I can even charge it right now to get it back to 100% push down. So enjoy the information, it's very useful. Don't forget to support me with a like and subscribe to the channel.